explain about DMT service in Agastya Pay application. For that, first we have to get login. So click on login. Enter user ID and password that you are having. So enter your user ID and password. Click on login. So once after login, you'll enter into the retailer dashboard. If you are a retailer, then you'll get the account details there. Account details with UPI ID also. So for this account number, you need to add an amount. So then automatically your DMR wallet will be recharged. So once after recharging to your DMR wallet, you can also transfer to your main wallet by clicking on DMR to main wallet transfer. If you are having, for example, if you are having 100 rupees in your DMT wallet, you can click here and you can enter the amount that you're having. For example, I'll enter 1 rupees here, so that it will be transferred to your main wallet. See here, it will be transferred. It has been transferred to your main wallet. Like this you can do the transactions. First you have to add money in DMR, then you can transfer it to main. The main wallet will be used for the services like PAN, passport, GST, prepaid services. If you are using DMR wallet, then you can use this for money transfer service. So now I'm going to use money transfer service. So I'll click on quick money transfer. So once I click on quick money transfer, it will enter into the money transfer dashboard. Here it will shows the charges that if you are doing any transaction between 100 to 1000, 2.5 is the service charge. If you are doing any transaction between 1000 to 25, 4 rupees, and if you are doing 25 to 2 lakhs, 8 rupees. Okay, then after entering the dashboard, if I want to transfer any amount to any beneficiary or account, I need to add a beneficiary account name here. Example, I'll add Agastya office account. Enter Agastya info. Beneficiary name is this. You have to enter account number, then account number, beneficiary IFSC code, amount. Here you need to enter the amount, that how much that you need to transfer. Here there is no limit, you can transfer up to 2 lakhs on one go only. So after entering amount, you need to select that mode of transaction, whether it is IMPOS or NETF. So once after entering amount, you need to click on proceed. If you click on proceed, it will ask for the service charges. It will show here itself. So after that, it will ask for remarks that you are doing. I'm doing for money transfer. So after that, you need to click on transfer. Once you click on transfer, the amount will be transferred to the particular beneficiary account details that you have mentioned here. So after transferring, you have to check in a reports whether the transaction is successful or not. Here it will show all transactions. You have to go for initial funds. In that you need to click on all transaction. In the all transaction, it will show that all the transactions that you have made till now. Okay, here it will show. So if you refresh on this button, it will show the status of the transaction, whether it is completed or pending or refunded. For example, I have done some transaction, but due to some network issue or bank server issue, the transaction has been failed. At 20 to 30 minutes, if it is been refunded, within 2 hours it will reflect here where the amount has been refunded, and whenever the amount is refunded, it will directly add it to your DMR wallet. Okay, if the money transfer is completed, then it will be added to the beneficiary account details that you have given. Here, see here, I will click on refresh. It will show the status and the amount with the date of transaction time and transaction ID. This is our DMT service in Agastya Pay, and if you are facing any issues while doing the DMT service, you can watch this video, or else you can directly contact here through help desk, or you can call us to our support number. Our team will help you out. Thank you for watching.